Oh, look at that glare. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing another new release from Revolution. They are just rolling out these collabs. This is another collaboration palette, this time in collaboration with one of my good friends, Carmi. This is his palette right here. I'm going to be testing this out in today's video and showing you like what kind of look you can do with this. And yes, I make videos for Revolution's YouTube channel, so do Tammy and Carmi, who are like the two people that have recently had their palette collaborations come out. And obviously I've had my collaboration eyeshadow palette with Revolution, which is awesome. And yes, I do make videos for their channel, but this video is going to be completely honest, my own opinions. I'm going to be telling you guys whether I think this palette is worth the money, and yeah, just showing you this look. So if you want to see how I got this and what I think, then just keep watching. Also, if you're wondering why my hair has been a little bit more like not like straightened or curled in my past couple of videos, it's because I'm trying to use less heat on it. I actually really need to get it cut soon because the ends of my hair are just like not okay. Today's post notification shout out is from Molly Person, and she says, #notification squad, I've been following you for years and you always make me smile. Would make my month if I got the notification shout out. Thank you so much, Molly, for watching my videos, and those of you that have my notifications on, you guys are the best. All you gotta do is press that little bell down below and leave me a comment like at the beginning of my video, and I might shout you out in my next video. Okay, so as you can probably see, I've done my base, everything other than my highlighter. I'm feeling very not glowy enough right now. I feel very flat. So this is what the palette looks like. It's just got the black casing with the classic like rose gold Makeup Revolution kind of writing on it, and then the box looks like this, which I think looks really pretty. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but it's kind of textured and it's got little kind of white speckles on it. It kind of looks like the sky and like stars, which I think looks really cool. And then on the back it's just got like a little picture of Carmi and then the rough kind of colours that you get in the palette. But I never trust these, like I said in the video that I did on Tammy's palette, because these colours do not look the same as these colours. So this palette is £10 and you get 10 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters, so it's kind of a mixture between an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter palette, which I think is pretty cool. It's like a nice idea to have them both in here. And then obviously if you don't use these two as highlighters, then you can always just use them as eyeshadows as well. I've used this one like in the centre of my eyelids because clearly that is too dark for my skin tone, but it's a really nice eyeshadow. So, and then it also has like a big full-size mirror as well, which most of the Revolution palettes have, which I absolutely love, because palettes without mirrors really frustrate me because I travel a lot and I like to just put something in my handbag, and especially when something has got a big mirror like this, like you can do your full face with that mirror, so I like. So the colours that you get in here are pretty bold. I'm just going to insert some swatches on my arm like as I'm talking about this right now. These 4 down the bottom are matte and then the rest of them are shimmer. So you have a matte black, yellow, orange and red, and then those are kind of the fiery colours. And then there's this light champagne pink, a slightly darker pink, a purple, a kind of more pinky purple, a sort of like cranberry colour, and then a aqua blue. So there's quite a good range in here and there's quite a few different looks that you could do. I don't really know what I'm going to go for today. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to highlight my face using this one, which I think is called Flash Me. I'm pretty sure. I've lost the name sheet already because I can't keep my life together. But this is pretty much like a more intense version of the Revolution highlighter in the shade Flash, which is kind of like a greenish sort of duochrome shade, which isn't like personally my favourite sort of colour, but this is a super blinding highlight. Let me just show you what it looks like on the face. Okay, like look at that. It is so blinding. And actually on the skin, like you can kind of see the green sort of shift, but it doesn't look too crazy actually. Like it's not something that I would wear on an everyday kind of basis, but I know that Carmi loves the Makeup Revolution Flash highlighter. Why do I never clean my brushes? Literally, I go months without cleaning my eyeshadow brushes because I just kind of do this either on my hand or like on my leg. So I'm starting out by taking this orange shade down here. I'm also going to mix it with a bit of the yellow just to create like my transition shade. And I'm just going to run those through my crease. As always with Revolution eyeshadows, like honestly, I don't know how they do like really nice quality eyeshadows for such a cheap price, because I don't know if I mentioned already, this palette is £10. Okay, so that is the orange colour. I'm then just going to run a little bit of that shade along my lower lash line as well. I love how bold the colours are in this palette. I just think it's something a little bit different for a drugstore palette. I kind of really want to do something using one of these 3 colours. I think I'm going to go for this look that he did at the photo shoot, and it's kind of like a purple and gold sort of halo eye, so I think that's what I'm going to go for today. So I'm just taking this colour here and I'm just dipping into this. It is a shimmer shade, but I'm going to use it on the outer and like inner parts of my eyelid. So I'm just packing that on. It's definitely more of a kind of fuchsia, purpley pink. It is so bright when you actually put it on your eyes. Like, how insane is that colour? And that is with a dry brush. I'm literally just dipping my brush in like this, picking some up, and then just like going in onto my lid. I'm not gonna lie, considering that was a shimmer, I was not expecting it to go on so well. Just because sometimes like shimmers apply better with your fingers, but this really packs a punch. It's almost like duochrome. Can you guys see that? It's got blue and purple and pink in there. Like, I don't know, it's a really interesting colour. Okay, I'm then dipping my brush back into a tiny bit of the orange, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges. That actually like blended really nicely into the other shades. Like I said, it was a shimmer shade, so I kind of wasn't expecting it to actually mesh that well with it, but it's done a great job at that. I have used the palette before, but I've never used this purple shade. I used like the more matte colours and then like the gold. Okay, next I'm taking the darker purple, which is this one down here, and I'm just gonna put this kind of on the outer and inner part of my eye again, just to make this a bit more like purple rather than pink. Like, if you like your bright colours, then this is the palette for you. And then just taking that same colour, and I'm gonna run this along my lower lash line. I hope you guys are proud that I didn't just go straight for like these colours because I mean that's what I would normally do, but I thought I would, you know, branch out, do something different. I feel like this looks super grungy. I am obsessed. I just put my blending brush down on my bed and I've just picked it up, and there's literally like 4 cat hairs just stuck to the end of it. Okay, then I'm going back in with my blending brush. Like, look at this blend. Okay, then on my inner corners, I'm gonna take this like champagne pink sort of colour, and I'm just gonna put that right in here. Then on the centre of my lid, I'm taking this giant gold highlighter, and this is more of a baked formula, so I feel like this would probably work best on your eyes with either like a damp brush or just my finger. So I'm gonna try it with a dry brush first. Okay, no, that works fine. Okay, yeah, then when it blends out, it goes a little bit more sheer, so I think... Wait, I want to try it with a damp brush though. I tried this with the damp brush the other day and it was literally insane. So what I'm going to do is just pick some up on my brush, and then I'm using some of the Revolution Sport Fix spray, and I'm just gonna... And I am just gonna pack that... Like, oh my gosh, look at this. It just turns it into a foil. And then I'm just taking what's left of my brush and I'm just gonna run that in the middle of my lower lash line. I am pretty damn happy with this. And then just going back in with my brush with like the purple on it, and I'm just gonna like blend over the edges slightly. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? I am literally obsessed with that. I think it looks so pretty, and yeah, I love the colour selection here. It's something fun, it's a bit different, like you've got lots of brights, and I just think it is super, super pretty. So I'm just gonna apply some liner, if I can find it. I'm just gonna put on some of the Renaissance Flick liner. Okay, and then I'm just applying some of the Iconic mascara because it's literally the first one that I picked out of my makeup bag. I do actually quite like this, but it just takes a few coats to build. It's one of those mascaras where I feel like when it dries out a bit more, I'm gonna really like it, but at the moment it's just a bit too wet. So here is a close-up of the finished look, and also you can see the highlighter there as well. Okay, so overall, do I think this palette is worth the £10? definitely. Like, these colours came out so vibrant. I think this look is absolutely gorgeous. I really love the like different colour selection here. You can get this from Makeup Revolution, like their website. You can get it from revolutionbeauty.com, and it does ship worldwide. And also I do think that it is now out on Superdrug, so I will leave both of the links down below if you guys are interested in this. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Why do I always do this at the end of my videos? I always go, so I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I would love to hear like any video suggestions or just products that you want me to try in the comments down below, and I will have a little read through and might go and buy some more makeup, even though I really don't need any more, but I'm happy to review things for you guys. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it so much if you subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell, because YouTube have been making some more changes, which just not great. Thanks, YouTube. Anyway, that is it from me. I really hope you guys are all doing really well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!